they will refund you that amount once you pass. If you are a forex trader with the skill but lacking trading capital, this video for you. Hello ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to Prop365. They are one of the leading proprietary trading firms in the world. Finding traders like you, consistent traders who can generate profit, they want to fund you with a significant capital, and in the return, you will share a portion of your profit. Now let's take a look at their website. Prop365 offer different challenges, including the one-step challenges and the two-step challenges. If you prefer not spend too much time on evaluation, the one-step challenge allows you to take just one assessment and move on the funded stage. If you are more mathematical, you can choose two-step challenges, which has two phases. Prop one-step challenges. The smallest amount is size 5,000 and the largest amount is $100K. If you have the skill but lack the capital, this opportunity is for you. To reach the funded stage, you need to achieve profit target of 10% and day for a minimum 5 days. Even if you pass the challenge, one day you will still need to wait for those 5 trading days. The maximum daily loss is only 4%, which is very competitive, and the minimum daily loss is only 4%, which is very competitive, and the maximum drawdown is 6%. You won't need to lose 4% in a day, and your total loss can exceed 6% plus. You have unlimited time to complete the challenge. You can take a long time for your need. Once you are funded, you get an 80% profit slip. For example, with a $25,000 amount, you only pay only $24. Just imagine for the challenge, and they will refund you that amount once you pass. Okay, now let's look at the two-step challenges. This involves two phases where you will have a small profit target 8% for a 5,000 amount. That means making around $400 per day, just like the one-step challenge. And the trading period is also unlimited, and you get 80% profit slip once you are funded. Plus, start with the simple, pass the evaluation phase, sign the contract, and you become a funded trader earning 80% of your profits. Prop365 is currently offering you 10% discount of loyal followers this channel. Just enter the code display or the skin check out the site. If you have any question about Prop365, feel free to reach out by their live chat or leave your question in the comment below. I will also include the website link in video description. Please check out. Thank you for watching. Don't miss the opportunity to trade with the capital you need. See you in the next video, and bye bye.